Hi there. What are other wound treatments that we can use when we are in the wilderness or we are in the outdoors? For instance, you got injured, as in my case, I got injured because my leg got caught in some barbed wire while I was interviewing or documenting Cimarron doing arnis routines. I got so excited when he started using his bow and arrow. So I got entangled. My leg got entangled in the barbed wire fence, and I got scratched. Now we can look for Sealy, and we can use Sealy as a kind of antiseptic as well and anti-tetanus. So we got here some Sealy, and we can harvest, this one Sealy, and apply it on my wound. Let's check it out. Yeah, here. Got it. Let's apply the Sealy. It's sure gonna feel a little bit uncomfortable, but it will help because this is considered as kind of an antiseptic and anti-tetanus treatment in the mountains. Right there, done. Wonders of Sealy. Jason here for the Hagbayon channel and TMS Talks. Please watch my other videos on the outdoors, hiking, blade culture, even music and literature related content. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you next time.